Morning, guys. Going to the next trip. Going to the CBD. I don't know what to do. I may have my snack. I'm very hungry, guys, after my shift. Very hungry because I did not eat my breakfast yet. I was in a hurry, so no breakfast. So I'm bored. It's boring to be staying at home. I'll be working again. Reorganizing things, so better go somewhere. Oh, I know where to go now. It's heavy traffic. How come it's heavy traffic? Okay, guys. Go. Yeah, I might buy something and eat at the park, wherever. Yeah, it's here. Okay, guys. Oh, what's that? I am having a project, guys. Oh, there are many people over there. Are you sure you're going to the... Okay, I want to be sure where that girl is going. Ah, so many. No parking space. Oh, girl. The town center is very busy. I cannot park. Oh, no vacancy. Where shall I park? I have no disabled parking. There's a vacant space there. Lucky me. Vintage store is open. Oh, this car might hit me. That one. Toyota Yaris. So guys, I'm here at the CBD. What shall I do today? Do I need to get money or what? Yeah, I'll arrange my parking. Am I in? The beautiful girls are there. I'm in. I'm in, guys. Okay, the girl is at the CBD. Oh, my tire hit the gutter. Nah, I don't like it. I think I'll visit there. I'll have to eat there. It's been a long time I haven't. Oh, what shall I? The coffee, the cappuccino there is. The taste is really beautiful. I hope it's open today. So, okay, guys. Bye for the meantime. I'll have coffee. No, not coffee, a snack. Okay, bye-bye. See you then. Later.